Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shamzy here. Thanks for tuning into another video. My swelling is going down, bro. I can talk properly now. It's all nice and cool. It is currently 8:52 AM in the morning. I'm kind of tired. Today I'm basically going to be talking about my 1 year ownership for the Fiesta. So we're currently going downstairs to go find it. So yeah, let's go.
Oh, there she is, my baby. Ooh. Well, she's looking so clean, you know. Yeah, I gave her like a little polish last night, but look how clean it is. 1 year ownership. Pretty clean. We've got a little scorpion exhaust. I'm gonna give you guys like a little cold start. Sounds mad. Bro. Oh, commitment issues. Copyright. Oh. Anyway. Yes, guys. Sorry, can I put you here? Boom. You better go ahead and smash that like button, bro. Smash the like button. I want 10 likes, yeah? We got more than 10 likes on the last video. I think we got about 17 likes, I think. And my voice broke. I don't know why my voice broke. But that was crazy. I love the support I was getting. I was kind of worried that my last video would get like a lot of hate because I was speaking my mind on the Fiesta community. But a lot of people seem to agree, especially the older folks. If you go look at my comments and everything like that in my last video, it's kind of funny. All these guys are funny, so yeah. I had the car for a year. Yeah, I've done quite a few mods to it. It's currently stage 2, 245 horsepower, yeah, because some people say 250, 260, I'm saying this car is a strong 245 horsepower. The reason why I'm okay with that number is because this car is pretty light. So the power to weight ratio of this car is, yeah, it makes up for it. So I ain't too fast about horsepower. I live in London. I'm not going anywhere fast. But when I do go on the open road, I do like to, you know, we all like to move it. So let's not all play and act like we're all nice civilians. No, we ain't. You bought a Fiesta or a ST because you like to go fast and it's nippy, so yeah. Okay, so since I own the car, I've had someone try to steal it and they have failed miserably. Like, honestly, in the barrel was absolutely... Let me show you the barrel, bro. Let me show you the barrel. Let me show you the barrel, bro. Fam. Yeah, so like you can see like someone tried to get in there with like a flat head. Well, there was one time, yeah. There was one time when my key died. My battery died, and then I couldn't get into the car because of the barrel situation. Obviously, in your Fiesta key, obviously you can open it all up and then take the emergency key out and put it in and open the door and all of that. But the only thing is, I couldn't do that, so I had to hijack the failed attempt of hijacking my own car to get into my car and jumpstart and everything like that. So with that being done, I then went ahead and got a Viper 106V Thatcham alarm. I will be doing a video on it, and yeah, it's worked. So it's worked great. You got your own. You got your own little fobs on there, and yeah, the car will only start if you have that fob. Like the key, like cool, let me show you, right? So basically the key is in the car recognizes it, yeah, but you just won't be able to start it unless you have the immobilizer fob for it. But obviously you don't, so the car ain't going anywhere, so I ain't gotta worry about anything like that. And the most that's gonna happen is that they are gonna break into the car and realize they can't steal the car, and next morning or next night I'm gonna come out and find out that someone tried to steal the car and I gotta pay for a new window. Yeah, so I'm gonna buy like two Fiesta front windows just in case. But yeah, 1 year ownership is pretty cool. It's pretty cool on gas. And you know, stage 2 is very great. I need to make a stage 2 video. That reminds me, I got so much videos to make. Hopefully you guys will enjoy them all. And And yeah, overall it's a fun, nice little car. I don't see myself getting rid of it anytime soon. It ticks all my boxes. It looks good, it's fast, it's small, so it's kind of easy to park. But I would say I would like to have some reversing parking sensors, because yeah, it's only me, it was the forward window at the back, like really like down at angle and a bit dark. Like at night time it's kind of hard to see, so sometimes I gotta do this when I'm reversing. Like I gotta be doing this when I'm reversing, just to see at the back. Like I thought, is it only me that has that problem? I don't know, you tell me. But yeah, man, it's been so far so good. I'll give you guys a couple updates on how the car's going and that. It's ticking strong. I got a few issues, but we're gonna pattern them soon. AKA my front brakes. I got a bit of rusting on the arches, and yeah, it's just not really looking. Fuck it, let me show you guys. This is ownership. Let me show you guys. Ah, cool. I got like little, like fam, you can barely see it, but it's forming, bro. It's forming. Like, see like little tiny bubbles there. I think it's from the salt. Because obviously when it was snowing, they were throwing like a lot of salt on the floor. Pads and disc is looking a bit low. Is it looking a bit low? How are you gonna see that? Yeah, it's low. Just trust me, it's fucking low. So basically, yeah, those are the stuff that I've got to do to the Fiesta, and you will definitely be. I need to get like auto focus. So you'll definitely be getting a video on that. Obviously, you know the rules. 10 likes and I'll upload the next video. I got so much videos to make, so you know I'm gonna keep my word. I'm happy. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy the talking, all of this and all of that. But if you don't, then the door's that way, or the door's here. You can get the fuck out. But if you do, take a seat and come chill with me, man. Anyway, I'm gonna cut now. So yeah, it's been your boy Shamsi. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for the support on the last video and the views. It's absolutely crazy. I didn't expect it. Hopefully you guys will stick around, and yeah, it's been your boy Shamsi signing out. Peace. Hey, this is what my Fiesta sounds like, yeah, because obviously I think it sounds a bit. We can charge it, I'm gonna give you like a little boost, yeah, not even nothing too crazy, you know what I mean? But this is what it sounds like.